Hello friends, welcome to Western Valley Creations. Today we will know how to transform a small casuarina plant into beautiful looking bonsai. I will explain all the steps involved in this bonsai making process. So watch till end. Also do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Friends, I have collected a small casuarina plant from forest and planted it in my normal pot. At that time, I have not got the idea of making a video, so I have not got the photos of the plant. Now, after 3 to 3.5 years, I have took it out from the pot. As you can see, it had developed a very good branch structure and well-matured trunk. But still, the root structure is not that good. The reason is because I have used a deep pot before, so a big taproot went inside. Now I want to give it an umbrella-type look, so I will cut the branches according to my plan. After pruning the branches, I have applied the rooting hormone. Then, I have took a pot according to its root structure. I have not put it in the bonsai pot because I want a better root structure by adding full of bonsai soil in a big pot. Guys, if you want to know how to prepare bonsai soil at home, then do check my video and the link is in the description box. Put the soil thoroughly and don't keep any air pockets. After adding the soil, pour the water till it comes out of the pot. Friends, always see that no branches are coming straight towards the observer. Here I have used the wiring method to bend the branches to correct shape. Finally, guys, this is the final look of my Casuarina bonsai. Isn't it looking beautiful? If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.